Hey everyone, welcome on channel. Today I will show you how I'm buying PulsePad live so you can see and so you can know what to expect when you are buying pre-sale on VelasPad. As you can see, I got $33 allocation for this project, which means I can buy PulsePad for only $33. And I got this amount because I staked 20,000 VelasPad, which is worth around $20,000 right now. In previous project I got $55 because now many people entered because of PulsePad hype. Many people entered in VelasPad, so we got less allocation. Well, I guess I explained very well in my last video how to enter VelasPad pre-sale. As you can see, allocation round will close in 5 hours and 25 minutes, so you have a lot of time to click approve and to join pool to get your coins. So basically you are buying PulsePad for only $33, but you are getting very cheap price. So you can get 33,000 PulsePad for $33, which is insane. So once you are finished with clicking approve and clicking join pool, you successfully bought your coins and you will get them 10% each month. So first 10% I will get today after PulsePad listing on Pancake Exchange. But it's not over yet. Now we're waiting for second round. As you can see, it is opening very soon. And in this second round, you can buy even more coins. You will get another allocation, second allocation, and it will be around $10 probably. But to buy for $10 more, you must be very fast because everybody will start clicking and only fast people will be able to buy even more coins. Here you can see claim tokens, which means I can claim today after DEX listing 10% of my PulsePad coins, which is 3,300 coins. And the rest of 30,000 coins I can claim every month 10% until, as you can see, date right there. Okay, second round is going to start in 1 minute. As you can see, my remaining allocation is $10, which means I can buy PulsePad for $10 more. But I need to be very fast because everybody waiting for this moment, okay? Everybody who participates in staking at least 20,000 VelasPad. You just need to click approve and to confirm before a round opens. And then after that you just wait for join pool to highlight, so you can click as fast as you can. If join pool even highlight, because sometimes it will not highlight because people already swapped their remaining allocation for coins. 97% is already swapped from first round and 3% is left for second round for people who click the fastest. 10 seconds left, we're waiting for join pool to highlight. I hope it will happen. 5 seconds left, come on, let's go. Now you need to wait to highlight join pool. Come on, come on. Oh, it's not happening, man. Okay, it's not highlighting. I think it will swap even before I can click it, so let's see. Sometimes you need to wait longer, but in this case, okay, they already swapped, so never mind, I missed my chance for second round again. My PC is fast enough, but still I don't get second round chance. After you got project that you wanted, you can unstake VelasPad. But if you staked less than 2 weeks, you will lose 25% of total coins. So basically it's better if you wait at least 6 weeks. And with waiting, you can get even more projects while keeping staked VelasPad. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. I will keep up with making tutorial videos, so make sure guys to subscribe on channel if you want to learn more. Make sure guys to leave also a like on the video. It helps me a lot. And see ya guys in the next video. Have a good day.